There's been a remarkable increase in research into dementia in the past 20 years. So in the 1970s, there were 209 papers on dementia. That's in the whole of the 1970s. There'll be something like 80,000 papers on dementia in this decade. That's a gigantic increase in the amount we know. And what we knew in the past was often not true. So people believed that dementia was a natural and normal part of aging, which isn't true. People believed that there was nothing that can be done for dementia, which isn't true. People believed that dementia was something you shouldn't talk about because of the stigma attached to it, and that's not true as well. So we're starting to understand things about dementia, and it's across the whole range of work in dementia. So right from the causes of dementia, so basic biological work into why dementia happens, the nature of Alzheimer's disease and of vascular problems in the brain, the nature of Lewy body and frontal dementias. We're understanding those better. We're getting better information about potential cures for the illness, so things that we can do that will actually change the disease process, as well as things that we can do, which we have at the moment, which can make the most of the function that people have at the moment. So there's a whole set of things that are to do with therapeutics and the development of better drugs and better non-drug treatments for dementia. And in terms of care, we're starting to understand what makes for good and bad quality care. We're starting to understand how to support carers in their roles, caring for people, both family carers and also paid carers. We're starting to understand the models of services that actually lead to better outcomes for people rather than worse outcomes for people. And we're starting to understand that if we do things right for dementia, if we diagnose people early and look after them well, then that costs less and people have better life quality. So it's a win-win. So research is starting to help us across the whole spectrum of research into causes, into cures, and into care of people with dementia.